Hi, this video is going to discuss price floors, both tell you what they are and show you how you would find a price floor using a demand and supply graph. This will be an example of a binding price floor. First, let's define what a price floor is. This, in 3 words, is a minimum legal price. Common examples of price floors include in the labor market, minimum wage laws, which are designed to protect workers from working for too little money. And also, there are price floors in agricultural markets, designed to help farmers so they can make a living wage. Next, let's show you an example using demand and supply of imposing a price floor in this market. So, if we impose a price floor at $3.95, let's figure out if this leads to a shortage or a surplus, and if it does, how big is the shortage or surplus? Let's figure out what the new price is and the new quantity. These are all things that I would expect students taking intermediate microeconomics to be able to do. Can you do it? Let's find those answers now. First, let's recall the definition of a price floor: minimum legal price. What that means is it's illegal to charge less than $3.95. So what I tell my students to do when solving questions like this is let's eliminate all of those prices that are illegal. So I'm striking all these prices up to $3.95. So on the graph, we are eliminating all of this area here. All of that area here is no longer legal. Okay? So we've eliminated all this area here. Now the question is, what's going to be the price? Well, the price, after we eliminate all those prices below $3.95, will be $3.95. So this is an example of a binding price floor. Because without the price floor, what's the price? That's right, the equilibrium price would be $3.30. So this price floor does have an impact. It does cause us to move away from the equilibrium price of $3.30. The new price will be $3.95. Next, will this lead to a shortage or a surplus? To answer this question, let's look at the price $3.95 where it meets the demand curve. Where that meets the demand curve, we have 207 units demanded. Let's look at where $3.95 hits the supply curve. Where it's the supply curve, that will tell us the quantity supplied, or 246 units. So what we have is quantity supplied of 246, which is larger than the quantity demanded, or we have too much stuff. We have an excess supply of 39 units. Another term for excess supply is a surplus. We have a surplus of 39 units due to this price floor at $3.95. So what ends up being exchanged between the buyers and sellers? It's always the smaller of the two. It will be 207. This is an example of a binding price floor that has created a surplus of goods.